The ultimate winter superfood, alsi ladoo recipe. Hello foodies and welcome back to my channel, Art of Cooking. As the weather gets colder, our bodies crave warmth and extra nutrition. We are making alsi ke ladoo, also known as flaxseed pinni. This isn't just a dessert, it's an ancient Ayurvedic immunity booster packed into a tasty little sphere. These are warm, nutty, naturally sweet and packed with omega-3 fiber and antioxidants. Perfect for immunity, joint pain, hormonal balance and even weight loss. And the best part? We are making them in under just 30 minutes with zero refined sugar. So let's get started. These ladoos have deep roots in Indian culture, particularly in Punjab and Haryana. Traditionally, these were made by grandmothers during deep winter to keep the family warm and especially for new mothers to help them recover strength postpartum. A few fun facts that you should know. Flax seeds have been eaten in India for over 5,000 years, mentioned in Ayurveda as atasi. We add a pinch of black pepper because it increases the absorption of omega-3s by up to 2000%. So why flax seeds are so good for you? The first is omega-3s. Flax seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredible for your heart and brain. Second, joint pain. In Ayurveda, alsi is known for its warming properties, making it amazing for lubricating stiff joints in winter. Third, fiber and glow. They are packed with fiber for digestion and those healthy fats are excellent for glowing skin and hair. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed gives you the same omega-3 as 100 grams of salmon but completely plant-based. To make this superfood, we need a power-packed lineup of ingredients. You can find the exact measurements down in the description below box. Obviously, our star player, raw flax seeds. For crunch, healthy fats and brain power, we have a mix of nuts, almonds, cashew, walnuts and raisins. We are also using makhana fox nuts. They add amazing volume and are low calorie. To bind it all together, no refined sugar. We are using pure organic jaggery, which is rich in iron. We need good quality desi ghee for roasting and flavor. And finally, the spices that makes these ladoos medicinal. Cardamom powder for aroma and digestion. Black pepper to aid nutrient absorption. Cinnamon powder for blood sugar regulation and dry ginger to boost immunity and relieve from cold and respiratory issues. Here's everything you will need. 1 cup of flax seeds, half a cup almonds, 1/4 cup cashews, 1/4 cup walnuts, 1/4 cup desiccated coconut, half a cup makhana, fox nuts, or you can call them lotus seeds, 1 cup grated jaggery, half a cup plus 2 tablespoons desi ghee, clarified butter. Use cow ghee for best flavor. 1 teaspoon green cardamom powder, half a teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger powder. Start by roasting everything separately on low heat. This removes raw taste and brings out the nutty aroma. Start with flax seeds. Keep the flame low to medium and stir constantly. You'll hear them start to crackle and a nutty aroma will fill your kitchen. This should take around 5 to 7 minutes. Once done, transfer them immediately to a plate to cool. If you leave them in the hot pan, they will burn. Now add a little ghee to the pan. We are going to lightly roast our almonds, cashews, walnuts until they are crunchy. Remove those and then do the same with the coconut and makhana. Roasting removes moisture and increases the shelf life of the ladoos. Once everything is completely cool, it's grinding time. Grind the flax seeds first. Important tip, pulse the grinder. Don't just run it continuously or they will release too much oil and turn into a sticky butter. We want a powder here. Next, coarsely grind your roasted nuts and makhana. I like keeping little chunks of nuts for texture. Mix all these dry powders together in a large mixing bowl. Right on top, add your raisins, cardamom, dried ginger, cinnamon and black pepper powder. Now the next step is to melt jaggery. Take a pan, add half a cup ghee plus jaggery. Melt on very low heat till it becomes a smooth syrup. As soon as it's melted, turn off the heat. Pour this hot golden goodness right onto your dry powder mix. Mix everything in well. The warmth will help everything bind. Now the last step is to shape your ladoos. Grease your palms with a little ghee and shape them into small balls while the mixture is still warm. If it cools down and hardens, just warm the mixture for 10 seconds. If the mixture feels too dry and won't hold its shape, melt another tablespoon of ghee and mix it in. Repeat until all the dough is mixed up. And there you have it, a powerhouse of nutrition rolled into a delicious bite. The texture is amazing. It's slightly crunchy from the nuts, very earthy from the alsi, and that jaggery gives it a caramel-like sweetness that isn't overpowering. You can feel the warmth from the pepper and the cinnamon at the back of your throat. One of these with a glass of warm milk is the perfect winter breakfast or evening snack. These will keep well in an airtight container for up to a month if they last that long. You can make around 20 to 25 flaxseed ladoo from this recipe. It's nutty, it's earthy, it's incredible delicious, and it might just be the healthiest sweet treat on the planet. If you like this healthy winter recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more wholesome cooking. Stay warm, stay healthy, and happy cooking.